Hi, let's take a look at finalizing your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet project with Magic Reveal Pixel Art. Step 1 was to create your pixel art. Step 2 was to create your math sentences and answers. Step 3 was to match an answer to a range of cells that you'd like to appear when that answer is typed. We're on step 4. This is the step where we program or code these cells to appear when this answer is typed. Stick with me, you can do it. Here's how we do it. I click on the cell that I'm working in. The cell name box right here will be really helpful for this. So I'm in cell B1 and the answer to my math problem's 9. We go to the conditional formatting tool on the home tab of the ribbon. We go down to the Manage Rules. Right now it says showing format rules for current selection. That's just that one little cell. We want to keep it on this worksheet. We're going to apply a new rule. There are lots of different rules. We're using the one at the bottom where we use a formula to determine these cells to format. So here's how you start the formula. You start with an equal sign. You type the $sign, which is Shift 4, capital B, $sign, and 1. So we're putting dollar signs in between the column and row identifier. So if B1 equals 9, that's my math answer you see there. Now we're going to choose the format. And the format for the cells in my pixel art were this bright yellow part of the sunflower. Please note I'm on the Fill tab to format cells. Now I click OK. I click OK again, and now I get the formula. If B1 equals 9, I want the yellow cell fill. Now, what cells should I apply that fill to? Well, I don't really want B1 itself to turn yellow. I mean, you can if you want, but I'm going to delete that, keeping the equal sign. Now I'm going to hold down Control, not Shift, Control with my finger and not let go, while I click and drag to select the range or group of cells I want to turn yellow, the formatting I've chosen. I click Apply, OK, and I'm going to switch this to this worksheet, OK. And now to test it out, I'm going to delete this 9, and I'm going to delete the text from it, and I'm going to go to my cell fill and say no fill on those 9 cells. Now, if I go into that cell and I do 1 times 9 is 9, enter, there they are. They've magically revealed. So one thing I've learned that helps me keep track of where I am is once I've tested it, I delete the answer. Now I know where I am. I use my cell name box here. I'm on cell B2. My answer is 42. I'm going to repeat the process for you. Conditional formatting. Manage rules. Always show formatting rules for the whole worksheet. There's my first one. I need a new rule using a formula. Equals, $sign, capital B, $sign, row 2. If that cell equals 42, now I go to my format. I look right here. It's that beautiful bright sunflower yellow again. OK. OK. I want that to apply. I'm going to hold down that Control key again and click and drag and click the range of cells that have a 42. You'll see this switches back a lot. I keep switching it back to the worksheet. I like to see my whole sheet. apply. Okay, let's check it out. Get out of there, 42. Get out of there, 42. Get out of there, cell fill. 42, enter. Yes, so we are on a roll. Again, I keep it deleted so I can see how far I'm going. I'm going to walk you through it one more time. I'm on cell B3 now. My math sentence answer is 12. Conditional formatting, manage rules for the whole sheet. New rule with the formula equals $B, $3. If B3 equals 12, here's the format I want. Where am I, 12? Oh, it's the dark brown. Now, I don't see my dark brown here, so I had gone to more colors, and I had grabbed that really deep brown for part of my sunflower seeds. Okay, okay. Make sure it goes back to this sheet. I don't necessarily want B3 to turn brown, but if you want to, that's fine. I'm going to delete that and hold my control key while I click on the cells that have that math answer. Apply this rule. Okay. So I'm going to pause the video here and keep working on my conditional formatting rules all the way down to the end. When I have them all deleted, I'm going to delete the whole text, the numbers here. I'm going to clear my cell fill color, and as I type them in, my sunflower should appear. Good luck. Test it out when you get done. I do like to stop and play test like this along the way just to make sure I'm on track with what I'm doing. Another cool way to code and program. Can't wait to see yours.